pay off. They stayed down in the trap, put it in the rock, nigga, and it paid off.
Think I'm a bad chick.
Hey guys, it's Sisters Day. Yes, guys, right now we're on the way to get some food. Right, because we're hungry, we're starving. It is currently 1:54, and of course we kind of are running a little late, but we're really not, right? No, I think we're fine. Yeah, but we're starving, so we can eat, and then we're gonna be headed to the studios. So yeah, guys. So you guys are gonna spend a day with us, and yeah, I'll get back with you guys when we're at the buffet. Nope. Right? I think it's gonna push open and just stuck. My hair. So, okay, Sissy, what do you have?
I got some honey chicken, egg rolls, string beans, crab ragoon, and I don't know what this is. I don't know. I just picked it up.
Yeah, I'm basic. All I got was some noodles and chicken and broccoli.
Yes, I'm the like to try.
Yeah, she gonna try anything. But if it look good, she gonna eat it down. I just do too much. I just do the most. Oh yeah. Ooh. Chinese food, one thing about it, it's gonna make my stomach hurt, but it be so good. Oh y'all, look, this is what I got. I just got some noodles and this. But yeah, me and my sister, we never really get to hang out as much, but when we do, oh babes, we spend the whole day together, honey.
Thank you.
Thank you. We need all.
I got her at.
We need all. Yes, but we need all the hours we can get, honey.
Every little second. We was on the phone yesterday trying to map out. Okay, so this hour we doing this. When we do this, we got this much time to do that.
For real.
But no, guys.
Where else, y'all? Grandma. Oh, the massages, y'all.
And we doing a pop-up, so hopefully she there, y'all.
Right. We didn't tell her we were coming, so. She's gonna be so happy.
Yes, y'all. Last time when we went to go see her, she was so sad when we was leaving. Literally. No, y'all, it was crazy.
But that's our girl, though.
Our grandma's not like, she's not like hard body, but like
she's not like, but she's not super soft.
Yeah,
either.
Yeah.
That's how Bob Lobster. Yeah, we at the studio. I don't think I told y'all that. Yeah, we waiting for Alex to pull up. He said we was early, so he said he was like 20 minutes away. Yeah, we at the studio. Studio vibes. But yeah, I'm gonna I'll get back with y'all. We'll get back with y'all.
Yes, y'all.
Bye.
Hey guys. Oh, I have my mic. Get my mic. You hot? No, I'm just bleeding. We look good. Oh, let me look into the camera. Got my mind. Oh, my nose going all crazy. So this makes make it sound funny.
Yeah, to make it not seem so, weird. Shouldn't even bother. How would the duck even bop?
Shouldn't even bother. I thought you were saying first. I was saying shouldn't even bop. bother.
Oh, shouldn't even bother. Oh, I could have said that. Shouldn't even bother. But no, I said shouldn't even bother. Like, hoe with the dugging and bobbing and weaving. I feel around and caught it. Like, hoe, what the fuck you moving for? I'm finna catch you anyways. Like, the
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, are we just still recording? Sorry, guys. I like that. Okay, yeah, I'm ready to hear it now. Yeah, you can play from the beginning.
Okay, cool. Give me 1 second.
It's so funny. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
You salty.
Play from the beginning.
So now we're gonna go get massages.
Yes, and we'll be back with you guys when we pull up there.
Yes.
Y'all, this bathroom is so freaking nice. Like, we're gonna get our massages. Now look at this mirror. We're gonna get our massages. And yeah, I'm gonna get back with you guys whenever we leave from here.
Only because you ain't here. Promise to please ya.